Many of us believe working longer means working better. But have you noticed the more you push without a fast, the slower your brain gets? Fatigue sets in, mistakes creep up, and the productivity drops. Without breaks, focus is not sustained, it's scattered. Namaste Karyans, I am Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. And you're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks. Today, let's explore something simple but powerful: how breaks affect your focus. In the Vedic tradition, even work and worships are done in rhythms, periods of actions followed by fasts. The principle is called Rituchakra, honoring natural cycles. Just like the day alternates with right, your focus needs activity and recovery. The mindful fast, even for 5 minutes of breath or silence, restores prana, that is your life energy, and sharpens dharana, that is the concentration. What are the action steps that you can take? Point number one: work in cycles. 25 to 15 minutes of focused work, then take a 5 to 10-minute fast. Point number two: mindful breaks. Use the fast for deep breathing or short walk or simply closing your eyes. Point number three: avoid digital distractions during breaks. Instead, refresh your senses with calmness. Point number four: reflect a day's end. Did breaks improve your focus or scattered it? Adjust accordingly. Karyans, try this mindful break today and notice how your focus improves instantly. Share your reflections in our community and let's grow 1% every day the Vedic way. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.